Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows errors on your Windows. I'm going to share to you different methods and solutions. So you just need to try each and every method that will best work for you depending on the error that you are facing on your Windows. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we can just simply try to restart our Windows because a simple restart can usually fix an issue. And when you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and all the programs on your Windows. So try restarting first. Simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method is we need to make sure that our Windows is updated because once our Windows is up to date, we rarely face an issue with our Windows. So for that, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and click this button right here to check for updates. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. So you just have to keep your Windows up to date. Then for the next method is we can also check the disk space of our Windows because if okay, so let me just show it to you. Make a right click at the start button and then select File Explorer. Now, you need to make sure that your Windows C drive has enough space because sometimes if you don't have enough space on your Windows, especially if you're going to install some programs, then you can't install it or you're going to face an error with your Windows because you don't have enough space. So one way that you can gain space on your Windows is through a disk cleanup. So type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, click on it under the best match. Now click on OK for the Windows C drive. And here you just need to simply check these boxes one by one, and this will be stated right here, the total amount of disk space that you can gain. Click on OK and click on delete files, and you just need to wait for this process to be done. And we can also restart the Windows Explorer, especially for those errors like taskbar not working. This is one of the great fix, and also File Explorer crashing. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. Now here in the search bar, type Explorer. You'll find Windows Explorer. Simply make a right click and then select Restart. Now close the Task Manager window and wait for all the icons to be back on your taskbar. Then for the next method is we can also run the System File Checker scan to check for any system corrupted files. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type this command sfc /scan now. It's sfc /scan now, hit enter. So the system file checker scan will also fix all the system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So you need to wait for the process to be 100% completed, and once done, close out of here and just restart your Windows. Then we can also use the troubleshooting tools in our Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select System. Scroll down and you will find Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you'll find all the troubleshooting tools for your Windows, like for audio, network and the internet, Windows Update, Bluetooth camera. So you just need to simply run or click the run button that corresponds to the issue that you are facing, like for audio, Windows Update. And then in the troubleshooting step is that this will help you spot and detect the issue that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that is that it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar. So this is for clean boot. Type system config. Click on System Configuration under the best match. Click on the Services tab. Check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable All. Click on the Startup tab. Click on Open Task Manager. Then change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. So what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup program. Simply make a right click and then select disable. And once done, close this window. Click on apply, click on OK, and simply click on the restart option. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.